Yes, this is a real onion, decorated in the form of a flower and deep fried. I'll show you now. Prepare all the necessary ingredients for cooking fried onions. Onions for this recipe should be chosen large, from 300 grams. Peel the onion from the husk. On the opposite side, cut off part of the onion by about 1/6. This will be the tip of the chrysanthemum. Cut the onion into 16 segment petals, without cutting the onion to the end. This is very important. Carefully separate the petals. Prepare the batter. In a bowl, whisk the egg, milk and a pinch of salt with a fork. In another bowl, pour flour, salt, ground black pepper, dried garlic, ground paprika and dried basil. Stir the mixture of dry ingredients. Carefully sprinkle the cut onion so that the flour gets access to each onion petal and covers the bulb from the outside. Shake off excess flour. Now place the onion in a bowl with batter. Pour the egg mixture over the onion with a spoon. Transfer the onion back to the bowl with flour, then repeat the previous step. In parallel with the preparation of the onion, heat the sunflower oil in a suitable deep bowl. In the hot oil, gently lower the onion with the open part down. After a minute, turn the onion head over and continue to deep fry the onion for another 5–6 minutes. Transfer the fried onion to a paper towel or napkins to absorb excess oil. Combine mayonnaise, ketchup, salt, ground black pepper, ground paprika and dried garlic. Serve fried onions with sauce to the table hot. Chrysanthemum from fried onions looks beautiful and will surprise everyone with its original taste. As an appetizer for beer, just perfect. Enjoy your meal.